wonderful people, and welcome back to my channel. So today I have Lookfantastic's December beauty box unboxing, and I'm so excited because I've heard this month's box is a good one. So this is what this month's box looks like. It's gorgeous red with these gold spots all over. Absolutely in love with the design. It's a little bit similar to the whole Lookfantastic advent calendar that they brought out, so there's sort of like a similar theme going on there. Now the Lookfantastic advent calendar is absolutely amazing. There's some really good products in there. However, it can be on the pricier side for a lot of people, so I think this month's beauty box is a great alternative to the Lookfantastic beauty calendar. So carry on watching to find out what's inside. So inside each of the lids of the beauty boxes there's usually a quote, and this month's quote is "Believe in the magic of Christmas." As usual, the first things inside of the beauty box are the complimentary magazines. So you get your Lookfantastic beauty box magazine and this month's edition of Elle magazine. Something that I've noticed that is a little bit different this month is that usually on the back of the Lookfantastic beauty box magazine there is a sneak peek for what should come in the following month's beauty box. Unfortunately there isn't one for this month, so not too sure what they're doing there. Looks like we'll have a full-on surprise of what's to come in January. However, let's find out what's in this month's beauty box. Oh, I hate doing this bit where you've got to rip the sticker. I just want it to like open neatly all the time, but oh well. Here we go. So this is the contents of this month's beauty box, and looking in there already, oh my god, I can see a few of my favourites. The first thing that I see immediately is something from the brand This Works, and it's a deep sleep pillow spray, and it comes in like a little travel size version here. Now I've tried this product before, I'm absolutely in love with it. I remember purchasing it with a £15 Thomas Cook voucher that you get when you exchange your money at the travel agents. Yeah, so I got a free voucher and I used it to purchase the deep sleep pillow spray because I was off to China for a whole month and I wasn't too sure how I was going to do with sleeping and stuff out there. Turns out that, oh my gosh, bedtime was awful for me. I got really anxious because I've been in like a different country. I've never been to China before, let alone Asia, so it was a really big thing being on the completely other side of the world, and I struggled to sleep and I was getting really anxious and my teeth were gritting and things like that, and it was just awful. I couldn't sleep. Put a few spritz of the deep sleep pillow spray on my pillow and I was out in like 3 minutes. It was amazing. So I absolutely love this product. I'm so excited that they put it in this month's beauty box because this is a really good product. Now, I'm not saying that it's going to help everyone with going to sleep. I've spoken to a few people that have said that they don't actually get along too well with the pillow spray. It smells great but it doesn't do anything for them. Fine, but I'm just saying from my own personal preference it works for me. So but then again, bear in mind what works for me might not work for you and vice versa. But yeah, that's pretty cool. I'm excited about that because I'm going to Amsterdam at the end of the month, and yeah, it'd be quite nice to put in my travel bag. So the next thing inside is this, and it comes in this packaging. It is the Lookfantastic Beauty Sponge and it's red. It looks very similar to the shape that Real Techniques does. Let's just see if it feels the same. Yeah, it's quite squidgy, really soft. So looking forward to using that. Can't give a review on that because I haven't used it yet, but so far all I can say is that it feels really nice and soft, so the application should be quite good. And yeah, I like the fact that there's a flat bit here as well. Just makes it easier to get in all the nooks and crannies of your face. I never thought that I would refer to my face as nooks and crannies, and it just sounds weird. I don't know what I'm saying. Next up in the box we have what was last month's sneak peek, and it's from the brand Dr. Botanicals. It is a pomegranate superfood brightening eye serum. Yes, please. I need an eye brightening serum. Literally, the bags under my eyes in winter are ridiculous. My skin's quite naturally discoloured and patchy in places, so yeah, I'm in need of this. And what also doesn't help is the fact that I've got really chubby cheeks, as you can tell. So where I smile and stuff, it creases, and it overemphasises the fact that I've got baggy, puffy eyes. So yeah, really looking forward to trying this out. It says here that it's vegan, cruelty-free and 100% natural, which is great. I need natural ingredients in the products that I use, just because my skin's quite sensitive as I've got eczema, as I've previously mentioned before in the past. Just trying to get it out of its box is quite, it's because it's quite difficult to get out. Oh, here we go, I'm just doing it wrong, I'm being a plonker. Right, yeah, so it comes in a little bottle like this, and it's got a sort of pipette thing. I think that's what they're called, not too sure. But yeah, anyway, it's just a nice serum, I guess. I couldn't say too much about it. I've never heard of the brand Dr. Botanicals before, but really, really looking forward to trying this out. I'm just going to see if there's any information that I've missed out from the Lookfantastic magazine. So it says how to use, lightly tap into the under eye area using your ring finger. You can also leave this serum in the fridge for an added boost that will help reduce any puffiness. Great, well, so after I finish recording this video, I'm going to shove this into the fridge and then make sure I use it right before bedtime. And then hopefully in the morning when I wake up, my face is going to look as soft as a baby and I'm going to look flawless. Well, that might not happen, but we can dream. Next up in this month's beauty box is something really, really exciting. Well, I mean, everything's pretty much really exciting in this month's beauty box. But anyway, it is from the brand Illamasqua. So it is the Hydra Veil, and I've tried this before in the past. It is amazing, really, really hydrating. It comes in like a gel formula. I don't know if you'll be able to see on camera here, but there's a cute little tub of it here, which is so, so cute. Yeah, that is really exciting because this is a great product. This quite could possibly be one of my favourite primers, if not my favourite primer. So yeah, very exciting that they've added this into this month's beauty box. Then the next thing that I'm picking up is the Karl Lagerfeld, I'm not too sure how to pronounce this name, plus Model Co brow pencil in medium dark. Excellent. I'm relieved that they didn't put a blonde one in there. Yeah, so let's get this out. Okie dokie, cool. So, comes in a pencil format like that. Let's just do a little swatch of it there. Okay, nice. So I'm going to look forward to using that. Sorry also about my chipped fingernails. I don't have enough time lately to even pluck my eyebrows, so I better sort that out soon once I find the time. So sorry if you've been staring at that throughout the whole video. I do apologise sincerely. So enough about the chipped fingernails, sorry. Anyway, moving on to the last final product but not least of this video, and it's from the brand Grow Gorgeous. I absolutely love Grow Gorgeous as a brand. I use a lot of their hair care products and I do lots of reviews and stuff, so you can check that out in the links below for my blog to follow up on some of those. Anyway, as I already love Grow Gorgeous as a hair care brand, they are definitely one of my favourite hair care brands. So I have actually already tried this product as well, but it's the Scalp Detox Exfoliating Pre-Wash Treatment. Now this is a great product if you're looking to look after your scalp. Now your scalp is similar to your skin, it has pores as well, so it's important that you take care of its health as well, and sometimes this can get forgotten about. So yeah, really, really cool that they've added this into this month's beauty box. So you basically just use it before you shampoo, and then you shampoo and condition as normal, and then basically your scalp is left feeling really nice and smooth. It's advised here that you use it about 1 to 2 times a week as a pre-wash treatment. However, I use it and when I feel like my scalp needs a bit of TLC and that. So yeah, pretty much up to you. Seriously, another really, really good product. So yeah, Lookfantastic are absolutely nailing it this month with the contents of the beauty box. I'm going to be completely honest with you, this is probably the best box that they've put together that I have tried, and I've tried quite a lot of their subscription boxes. So yeah, this one is really, really good value. It might just be because I've tried some of the products before and I already love the majority of what's inside the box already. But there you go, there's like an unboxing and a mini little review in one. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This month's beauty box would be really, really great if you're looking to give somebody a gift, because the content is just absolutely amazing, as we've already discussed. If not, maybe you're looking to treat yourself, and excellent, what a great treat to treat yourself with. Why not? It's Christmas. Anyway, I just wanted to say thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you're having a great start to your festive season, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.